Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the Instagram ads not delivering problem. First of all, open your Instagram ad and then click on your profile icon on the bottom right corner. Click on the hamburger menu in the top right corner. Scroll down until you see help. Click on help and then select account status. If everything is correct, you're good to go. You can also click on features you can't use. Here you'll be able to see all the features that you can use and also those features that you cannot use. If everything is fine, you can also go back again, and then select support requests. Here you can also see the violations you have committed accidentally, but if you do not have committed any violations, you're good to go again. You can go back again, click on Help Center. It will open a new page. You can search for any topic. For instance, I will search for ads. Nothing pops up. I will randomly select any option. I will go to the bottom until I see, was this helpful? I will click on no and then select other. Click on select, and here you, in the tell us more option, you have to write down your problem, which is I cannot fix the Instagram ads. Kindly help, and click on submit. That's all you can do and wait for it to fix. And that's simply how you can fix the Instagram ads not delivering problem. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.